Christ is leading his disciples. He's going to lead Mary and Martha. In fact, he's going to ask the two of them that question specifically. Do you believe? That's the question that's going to press us next week. Do you believe? Christ is leading all of them through a deep and a dark valley so that they will trust him more. So that they will trust him more. Friends, I'm going to lay this on you this morning. I'm going to let you work and struggle with this in your own way. But I say these things because I believe they're the testimony of Scripture, and I say these things because I believe that they are true. The strength of my faith in Jesus is worth the trials that get me there. This is the perspective that Christ takes with the disciples and with Mary and Martha. The strength of my faith in Jesus is worth the trials that get me there. Could it be that Christ is more interested in the strength of my faith, in the depth of my relationship with him, than my comfort?